Long time ago, there's a kind little dinosaur. Little dinosaur was very hard in the day and writes very hard in the night. What he writes for is a love letter to the little princess. Little princess played very hard with her favorite bear in the day and be fascinated by reading little dinosaur's love letter in the night. She is very curious to the writer. Time flies. Little dinosaur keeps writing his no-name letter. Little princess reads her love letters day after day, and she don't know that her heart is fallen. One day,
Dear little princess, it's the letter number 1740. If you don't mind that I'm not as handsome as the prince, please give me a chance to prove my mind. Come and see me tomorrow in the garden. Yours, little dinosaur.
Oh, my dream lover finally wants to see me. I don't mind his appearance. These letters proudly prove his love clearly. Oh, I can't wait.
in the midnight, little princess sleep deeply, but the bear.
No, princess is mine. No one can take my master.
The next day,
Are you the writer?
Yes. Brah, brah.
Princess is mine, is mine, is mine!
little dinosaur don't know what to do, so he decides to seek help from villagers.
Can you help me? Can you help me? Can you help me? What's wrong? My princess was kidnapped.
Oh my god! How could it happen?
Oh, little bear did it. Bear did it. It became so huge and kidnapped my princess.
Oh, you liar! You look so dangerous, but the bear is so cute.
We won't believe you.
Finally, little dinosaur goes alone to save his lover.
We will be together forever, forever, forever! Don't you afraid of me?
No, I don't. I know you love princess just like me. I won't take the princess out of you. On the other hand, we will be friends together.
Little dinosaur saved my life. He will be my husband and the king. I want you to know, a person's value is decided by his behavior, not his appearance.
The dinosaur and princess and bear live happily ever after.
Ah.